What is this? What is the color of the caterpillar? Green. What is the color of its face? Can you tell me how it works? Does it crawl or it walks? Crawl like this. See? Like this. How it crawls? Yes. Okay. So this is a very popular story among kids. This is the kids' favorite story, the very hungry caterpillar. Okay. Caterpillar is very hungry in the story. Okay. He keeps on eating and eating. And then you will come to know what happens in the story. Okay. Shall we start?
Yeah.
Everyone ready? Can you see caterpillar on the wall? Yes? So this is the caterpillar's face. Okay? These are the things what he is eating. Okay? Yes, he is eating healthy food and also the junk food. And see, after eating junk food, what happens to the caterpillar? Okay? Shall we start? Yes? Come on. So there was a one night. Okay? One dark night. Okay? So in the light of the moon, an egg is laying on the leaf. Okay? So there is a small egg over here on the leaf. Yes? Yes? So then one Sunday morning, it just breaks. The egg breaks out. Okay? And something pops out of the egg. What comes out? What comes out? Can you see what comes out? What is coming out of the egg? What is coming out of the egg? Yes. So one Sunday morning, under the warm sun, something pops out of the egg. And what it is? A tiny caterpillar. Okay? And he is very hungry now. So he is looking for some food. Okay? See the picture. See the picture in the book. It is a dark night. Okay? On the leaf, big leaf, there is a tiny egg. Okay? Can you see this? There is a huge moon. Yes? Now, next morning, the egg breaks and something pops out. See? The tiny caterpillar. Can everyone see this? Yes? You see? There is a tiny caterpillar. Okay? Yes? The whole story is over here on the wall also. Okay? So one by one, I will show you how it goes. He starts to look for some food. Now he is searching for the food. He is very hungry. Okay? Now on Monday, what happens? He eats one apple. Okay? He is eating one apple. But his tummy is not full. So he is still hungry. Okay? He wants to eat more food. Then he searched for more food and on Tuesday he eats 2 pears. What he eats? 2 pears. What is the color of the apple? What is the color of the pear?
Green.
Yes. And then he is more hungry. Yeah? He is still hungry. He wants more food. Okay? See. So first day he is eating 1 apple. Okay? So there is a hole. How this caterpillar goes into some food, he makes a tiny hole in the food. Okay? Eats the food and leaves that food behind. Okay? Yes? Then eats 2 pears. Okay? Then eats 3 plums. Okay? Can you see this plum? So on Wednesday, he eats 3 plums. But still he is feeling more hungry. Okay? Yes. Then he eats 4 strawberries. When? On Thursday. He eats 4 strawberries. What is the color of the strawberry? And what is the color of the plum?
Blue.
Very good. Then, but still he is more hungry. Okay? His stomach is not full at all. He is searching for more food. Okay? So what he go for the next? He searches for the oranges. So on Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but still he was feeling hungry. Okay? Do you feel hungry? You don't feel hungry? Huh? You don't feel hungry? See. Yes. All everybody feels hungry. So what you eat? You feel something. You tell mama, I want something. I'm feeling hungry? What do you eat? You eat food. From the fridge directly from the fridge. Tell me, you ask your mama for the food when you are hungry? Okay, orange is your favorite? Okay, come on. Now, on Friday, he eats 5 oranges. Okay? But he was still feeling lot hungry in the stomach. Then what happens? He goes and search for the more food. But now what he is eating? See, the fruits are healthy. Now he eats the junk food. Okay? So what he eats? 1 chocolate cake. Okay? 1 chocolate cake, ice cream, lollipop, cupcake, cheese. Okay? Sausage. Yes? And a slice of watermelon. What he eats? All the junk food he eats. Then what happens? What? Not watermelon. The other things are junk, right? Lollipop, pastries. These are not healthy food, right? Yes? So then what happens after eating lot of food? His stomach starts aching. Yes? You get a stomach upset. Your stomach is upset when you eat all lot. Yes? जब ज़्यादा खाते हो तब पेट में दर्द देता है. Okay, you feel pain in the stomach when you eat lot of food. Yes? You don't feel? Okay, you eat strawberry. Okay. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. Yes, listen. Please wait. Wait. Okay, fine, beta. 1 second. You eat orange, right? So after eating so much of healthy food, he eats the junk food. His stomach gets upset. Okay? So he is very sad now. What to do? Then what happens? In the next Sunday morning, what he eats? A big leaf. Okay? Now he is feeling much better after eating the leaf. Okay? Okay? Yes, Arjun?
Yes.
He eats the leaf. He feels so good now. Okay? After eating a lot of food, he becomes very fat. See? Very fat. If you eat a lot of food, see, this is how he becomes more fat. Okay? Then what happens? He builds his house. Caterpillar's house is called cocoon. What it is called? Cocoon. Where the caterpillar lives? Cocoon. This one, okay? He builds the house. And one day he keeps building the house, and one day he comes out and turns into a beautiful butterfly. What it turns into? Beautiful butterfly. See? Cocoon, he is out now and he becomes a beautiful butterfly. Okay?
How is it become a butterfly?
See, your mama's tried, right? How you grow from small to big? Yes?
Yes.
So this is the baby caterpillar, and once it grows bigger, and it turns into a beautiful butterfly. Okay? Yes? You got the story? Big house, but this is a tiny one now. He built a small house then. Okay? You all are big now.